My name is Yvette from ShortPoint. You're likely familiar with the ShortPoint Live Mode Editor by now. Today, I am going to introduce you to the Grid Mode Editor, a second editing interface in ShortPoint along with its features. In this video, you'll discover how to switch to the Grid Mode Editor, learn its interface for editing, and explore the ShortPoint features that are presently available only in Grid Mode. The Live Mode Editor is the first interface you see when you start editing a page in ShortPoint. It provides a fully visual experience where you can see your changes in real time. ShortPoint also offers a second editing interface called Grid Mode. To access it, simply go to the Action toolbar and click the first button, which acts as a quick switch between the two modes. If you're in Live Mode, clicking the button once will take you to Grid Mode. Grid Mode is a wireframe-based interface that shows the structure of your page in colorful blocks. The different colors represent its function. You have the section and the row, which are the building blocks of the page, the text element, container elements, and individual design elements. In Grid Mode, it is easy to identify the different sections of the page, determine individual design elements used on the page, and see how many items are contained within an element. Additionally, all design elements that make up the page are visible where it could be hidden in Live Mode, such as these blank text elements. While most editing functionalities are the same in both Live Mode and Grid Mode, the experience differs slightly between the two modes. You will see the action buttons on each design element when you hover, and you can use them with ease. For example, you can move a group of design elements around, copy and paste design elements, and add new content on your page. There are also some actions that can only be done in Grid Mode. If you have a busy page, you can collapse and expand groups of design elements to focus on the ones you need to work on. To move sections or rows on your page, click the arrow buttons found at the bottom. These buttons allow you to reposition the sections or rows up or down the page. There are two important ShortPoint features that are currently available only in Grid Mode. When editing a design element, you can access the Connect and Visibility features from the Settings window. Connect enables you to automatically retrieve content from internal or external sources and display it on your page. This can include news from different SharePoint sites, content from a SharePoint list or library, calendar entries from Outlook, and more. Visibility allows you to control which content on your page is visible or hidden to specific individuals or groups. You can even hide design elements on certain devices. To preview your pages after editing in Grid Mode, click the preview icon in the Action toolbar. When you're done, just click the button again to return to Edit mode. Now that you're acquainted with the Grid Mode Editor, it's time to take your intranet design to the next level. By familiarizing yourself with both the interfaces, you can unlock even greater flexibility and creativity in crafting stunning intranet pages. Thank you for watching!